Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for managing your field sales team. This is your full guide for 2025. Firstly, let's open UPBASE and log into your account. The reason we do this is to ensure you have access to all the tools and resources necessary for managing your field sales team effectively. Log in with your corporate credentials to access your dashboard. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating teams. Navigate to the Teams tab and click on Create New Team. Here, you can add team members by their usernames or email addresses. This helps us because it allows you to organize your sales staff into specific teams, making it easier to manage the workflow and monitor performance. Next up, we'll set up territories. Go to the Territories tab and start by clicking Add New. You can customize territories based on geographical areas or other parameters relevant to your business. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By setting up territories, you're able to assign specific regions to your teams. This ensures that every area is covered and reduces overlap, leading to more efficient sales operations. Now, let's move on to tracking sales. Under the Sales tab, you can add and monitor sales targets for each team. This is a crucial step as it allows you to keep track of your team's progress. You can set periodic targets and monitor real-time sales data to ensure your team is on track. Let me explain why this matters. With UPBASE, you can quickly identify any issues or bottlenecks in your sales process and take corrective measures promptly. Finally, let's look at communicating with your team. With UPBASE, you can send messages directly to your team members or schedule team meetings. It's as simple as clicking on the Communication tab and selecting the team or team member you want to connect with. This helps us because it aids in maintaining clear and open lines of communication with your field sales team, an essential element in successful team management. And there you have it. That's how you use UPBASE for managing your field sales team. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your team, territories, and sales and ensure smooth communication. Remember, the key is in organizing your teams, setting up territories, tracking sales, and maintaining clear communication. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.